Alright, today we're going to be taking a look at this 1990 Acura NSX from Hot Wheels. This is a factory fresh series car, and this is number 6 out of 10 for Hot Wheels. Let's see, it looks like 2017 is the year, and it's in this really cool silver. The NSX is a really interesting car from the 90s from Japan. Really a supercar kind of in its own way. Very fast, very desirable. It's hard to find them now in good condition, the real car. This Hot Wheels is in great condition because it's not opened. So let's go ahead and take care of that. The car, it's all opened. As you can see, it's silver. It's a really nice silver. It's got these great big wheels, a little larger on the back than on the front, which is nice because I believe it's a rear-wheel drive car. All black roof, which is a very cool touch. It's got a nice profile for this car. You can see it's got some good detail in the lines for the headlights, the great vintage pop-up headlights. Turning it around, you can see the other side. It's got a nice stance to it. Looks really good. And if we turn around at the back, I really like the amount of detail on this. The tail lights are really good, and underneath you can kind of see the air splitters or whatever you call them. It looks really good, and a nice wing. You can see there at the top. So all in all, a very nice car. One that I'm happy to add to our collection, and I'm looking forward to putting this one down the track and seeing how it competes against other Japanese classics and some other cool cars that we've got recently. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video and you'd like to see some more, feel free to subscribe and check out our other videos. Leave a like and a comment, and we'd love to hear from you, and we'll see you on the next video.